Try your best to keep composure. Don't give up all of your smiles. Push away and they'll come closer.